Macrame Ottawa. All right. Lots of macrame shops recently. It's so funny. It's like you don't even hear about something on Etsy. You never heard of macrame hardly at all before. And now everybody wants to sell macrame. I can see why. It looks like it's fun to make and it's really pretty stuff. So 19 sales. She's got a nice little start here. And she's got a little keychain and some woven lanterns. Let me look at this one. I'm intrigued. Macrame woven lantern and good photos. Now, I would say on the first photo, it's a tiny bit, it's a good photo. And I like that I can see the light and stuff, but it's a bit dark. It's a little bit dim. And I think your shop has a very nice aesthetic. When I'm looking at your shop, everything really agrees with itself, but I don't know if it's going to look quite as good when it's on the search results competing with a lot of other products. So let me check this one. Macrame woven lantern. And let's see what we got. What kind of stuff is out there? So there's 202 results. And so it's not a very big keyword. I almost would recommend removing the keyword woven, because if it's macrame, we already know it's woven. We don't need to add that. It's kind of an unnecessary keyword. And you can see that gets me many more results already, 1,270. So we went from right here, 202, all the way up to 1,270. So a lot more results right there, which is important. Now, looking through this, these are totally different. These aren't even macrame. There's totally different types of lantern. What are these people thinking? What are they thinking? Putting this up here for macrame. What are they thinking? Anyways, getting back to this. I think this picture is just a little too dark is kind of the issue. And I'm sure you could kind of change the settings a little bit to make it brighter and make those colors really pop out. But this one is just a little dark, and I would recommend just cutting that keyword woven, and then I would add in some extra keywords like macrame lantern, macrame home decor, macrame lighting, and then also what would people, because not everybody knows about macrame. If I was, now I'm an expert. Now I know about macrame. But before, I did not know about macrame. I might have, if I was looking for something like this, I probably would have typed in rope lantern, string lantern. And you've got so much space because you've only got one keyword right here. I would recommend filling in a bunch more of keywords. So macrame lantern, macrame light, rope light, string light, and so on. And let's check it out. But that's my suggestion for that one. So I think it's kind of a unfortunate thing you've kind of done on most of your products is your shop looks beautiful and it has a very nice aesthetic when I'm looking at it all in one place. However, it's a little dim. And this kind of filter or something you've put on a lot of these it's just a little dark. So it kind of, you want your items to really pop and you want them to be bright. So when they're on the search results with all these other products, they stand out. Now let's look at this. This keyword I do not like because it's just way too long. And also, I think cinnamon, you're describing the color, but when I get to the listing, I got all these different colors. So you don't really need to describe the color right here. And I would change this keyword up. Let me pull up my notepad for you here. I would do something like, I would just do macrame keychain. That's how I would go. Because if let's look up the first one. And if we search this keyword here, 96 results, not very many. If we just do macrame keychain, we got 55,000. Okay, probably maybe almost too many, but it's still a great keyword. Actually, it's not really too many. 55,000 results. That's a great keyword. That means it's a popular keyword. There's a lot of people searching for it, and your item is competitive. $5.79. It looks great. But again, you do want to consider that, when you're looking at all these other items, what's standing out. And a lot of these other people, their stuff is just really bright and they've got stronger colors. So I really don't advise making your images dark. You want them to be bright and clear. And you got all these real natural looking kind of earth tones. I think those are earth tones. I don't know, actually. I just like to say earth tones. But it's a very, very pretty item here. But you could try your middle keyword there, macrame feather keychain. But yeah, and that has 847. So my big suggestions, brighter lighting, and I see you've basically got one keyword on every listing here. I would recommend go out there and try to get 5 keywords on every listing. And you want them to be 2 to 3 words, and only make them 4 words or longer if you have to. So this one should be macrame keychain, macrame feather keychain, and then so on. But very cute looking.